NFTs in manufacturing. It's already real. Welcome to the intersection of blockchain innovation and industrial transformation, where digital tokens are reshaping how we make, track, and authenticate physical products. NFTs are moving from digital art into industry, serving as immutable certificates that verify materials and products across supply chains. By enabling tamper-proof tracking of recycled materials, they boost trust and sustainability while combating the $232 billion global counterfeit problem. With blockchain-backed transparency, NFTs deliver complete visibility and authentication from raw material to finished product. NFTs are transforming industrial design by enabling engineers to tokenize, sell, and securely authenticate 3D models and designs. Combined with blockchain-powered automation, these technologies boost output, reduce waste, and optimize raw material use in process manufacturing. Together, they modernize production lines and empower manufacturers to compete globally through data-driven decision-making. NFTs provide manufacturers with unmatched supply chain transparency, automated compliance, and faster payment settlements, driving efficiency and sustainability. Early adoption offers a competitive edge, as industrial NFT applications rapidly expand and awareness grows. The manufacturing sector is poised for a digital transformation, and embracing NFTs now positions companies to lead the next industrial revolution.